Hi, David here with Future Trading. I want to give you a chance to possibly benefit from Bitcoin turning here. Now, I'm not a Bitcoin trader. I'm an E-mini trader. I love the NQ, and that's what I like to trade. However, I was up this morning and I saw Bitcoin here, forming this overnight range. Now, that was at like three something this morning. Here's with yesterday's range overnight, and then here's that morning range. You can kind of see how they were playing out. And if you're not familiar with the range, I had a link below to the playlist. You're more than welcome to help yourself to any other information there. If you like to watch the whole playlist, it's no more than about an hour and a half. And they give you a lot of foundational points. Again, repeatable behavior. That's all I trade. They get your trading, I guess, to wherever it is that you would like to have it to go. So if you're just starting out and you want some consistency, I suggest yes, watch the whole hour and a half. If you're someone that just want a piece of information, I guess to attach to your model that you're already trading, then you're more than welcome to do that as well. Just pick a video and take it in. So, and if you like the content, leave a message below or definitely leave me a like and let me know that you found it useful. So, I told them need to close above here today would help. Not likely. Okay, it's not likely, but I did tell them price. Forgive that typo. It was early in the morning. Closing back under here today will confirm it. So confirming that they do not want to close higher. And so what is that going to lead to? All right, so they're down here. Now, what is that going to lead to? Here's your side by side if you want to see it. All right, so here's your side by side. Price was right about, let's say right about here, somewhere in here when I put that alert out. Let me slide it over just a little bit more. Price was right about here. No, we was a little bit outside the range. So we was right about here. I'll take it. Matter of fact, I'll take it, mark that. Matter of fact, let me just do it right now, really quickly here, just so I don't forget to do that. So price was right about, let's go here. So price was here, and I'm gonna just kind of drag this over here so it's not in the way. And again, you can help yourself to this information. That's the reason why I put it online. So if you would like to become a partner with me on Twitter, just click the link in the header and head on over there this morning. As well as here, I'm about to type what I was saying. You're more than welcome to join me over there on Twitter. Just yeah, come and follow me. You might get the information a bit sooner because I'm up a little bit early sometimes, and it's easier to take a snapshot than to make a whole video and having to edit it. So there we go. So price was there, all right, somewhere in that area. You kind of get the gist. We hadn't broke that pivot, and we're here now. What is going to happen? That's the thing to consider. I believe here's the hourly. I believe that if we're going to decline, uh, yeah, we may wind up back under this area here, and we may fall back down into this area here, um, possibly, possibly. And this again, it could not happen. Again, this is just something that I want to put in front of you as a possibility. Clearly, here's the NC. That's the no close beneath. If you're not familiar with that pattern, you're more than welcome to take a look. We had a blue bar outline on the turn. Let me blow this up just a bit so you can see it. So we had the blue outline bar here on the turn, and they, tested it clearly and went up. They had the no close bar here too. You can barely see the NC because the average in a way, but it's an NC here. It's an NC here too, so no close beneath this low here, and they held it for about 5 hours. All right, so let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh well, six, and then they pushed up. All right, and so we have a no close bar here, but they're closed. They closed under it, so that can present a issue. We had one here, all right. So and they held that for a whole lot of hours. So if you're not familiar, and of course we have one up here, and they just tested it several times, and that's where that range came in. So if you're not familiar with the content, you're more than welcome to again to help yourself to it. Here's the no close bar here. We pushed in. That's where the blue bar came in. So this could happen for the next, I would say, 3 days, maybe 3 days. They can come down. And again, small range. It don't have to be that they'll run down the board like really crazy. But I do imagine that it could be a small range activity within the next couple of days before they do another big push. Or yes, you will get a decline back below this area here. All of this is flat. It's kind of stair stepping itself. So that's definitely intent to want to push higher, but it's questionable in this area what's happening here, definitely on the break of that new high. So if they want to drift down, do expect them to get right beneath this low. Do not, I would not be here trying to pick this up from here. I'm gonna be honest with you. It just all depends on what they do when they get here. Of course, you had the no close bar here. They tagged that, came with the blue bar, and then they gave you that big push. I would see what is happening with the price action when they get here. if they do not decide to get back above that price level today. All right. So if they don't, I guess, rotate back up and try to get back up here today, then I would honestly tell you there's a chance that you may see more of a decline in the next 2 or 3 days. And I'll be back to give you an update as to what that is and what that looks like. So I wish you all the best with your trading. If you have any questions, or again, you want to I guess, converse about what it is that I've put out already, just leave me a message below, and I'll definitely reach back out to you and tell you what it is that I think about the information. Or if you have any questions about whatever asset class that you're following, let me know, and I'll answer whatever questions I can. I'm here to try to help any trader that wants to become profitable. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.